Ebusianfo my mom akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesre or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification also so that anytime you post a video, be to say we have some bekabi. Ebusianfo, ebumienka no krepa de. The attack on the former president, His Excellency John Agyekum Kufuor, is becoming one too many. Look, our silence, and yes, we cannot retaliate in equal measure. We can do worse. And it's not as if even we are scared of anybody say, be better me arrest you. No. I always say, the only person that we are scared of is Nyankopon or through. Because on no, he can harm both our body and our spirit. But beyond that, we fear no foe. Say, Papa, we are a see or a journalist or say, damn. Let me sorry, I got TV so. Can say, former president John Agyekum Kufuor, on your statesman or your foot soldier. Kai we cry, nya cry for my me hunu dampo. Is you a journalist? Kufuor your foot soldier. John Agyekum Kufuor or your foot soldier. On your statesman, your foot soldier. Jama wa bodamo. Umu be the sorry. You will not check on your mental health. Mubi. You not check on
statesman. Yes. But me I would never see him as a statesman. President Kufuor is just a full soldier.
Your mental health. I dare a friend of grandiose delusion. I had delusion of grandeur. I dare a friend of persecutory delusion. Mudia, don't go and check yourself and start getting treatment. Mufili say, you think say because NDC about power and you people are on top of the world, your reign is never going to come to an end, because don't go and check your brain. And the earlier you start looking for treatment, the better for you, because as you delay treatment, the more it gets complicated. Woo, baby, I would now I cry FM why I say Kufuor enye statesman or ye full soldier no. Kufuor ye papa anka upe. Kufuor ye unana anka upe. John Agyekum Kufuor, who was called to the bar of England, 1961, and called to the bar of Ghana, 1962. Over 60 years at the bar. Kufuor no, who are out can you achieve the achievement? Do you even go and even bring your first degree? Papa, because I'm paying you na I cry FM or Kufuor a full soldier no. Go you go and bring even with first degree with university first. Let's see. Enough is enough of all this, sorry to say, but nonsense. Because you're saying my does dodo. So now everybody can just get up and attack the former president because Nkasa. We are giving you people a warning. You attack Kufuor. You also attack every former president that has reigned over this nation and under using the NDC. When you attack Kufuor, because Kufuor is a former president, and the Muslim who say Atamels also a former president, Jerry John Rawlings also a former president, maybe. You come at Kufuor, we also go at Atamels, we go at Jerry John Rawlings. And then we see in this country, say, whether we want to really reopen things that we have put behind us. What do you feel Kufuor full soldier? Jama o Jimmy Yarion. Jama baby how? There's something wrong with your thinking cap. Ajunye Juma. Ajunye Juma on first say Kufuor is just a mere foot soldier. What bottom papa? Normally I don't insult people. You people know me. I don't talk this way. But enough is enough. Because Shasem no ya do sudodo. He just voted for you to lead the nation. Lead the country. Na Kufuor achievement ebinye. We NDC who you be anka NDC no nka Kufuor asembio. Because you have disappointed cocoa farmers. What your musika so mama Kufuor no haircut. After haircut no kura no sika mo de betu amukwa ebi ni ho till now munya ntu ankrofo ne ye. Na wasa nya kukudu betina TV so say Kufuor ye mie. Oh then. Next time, we media more to football. Next time, do it again. Ebusianfo baby bia o Ghana ha bia. Se ope photographers omunim juma. Eba no editing, omutwa pictures, omu cameras akese, lenses akese, omu drones ni bibia ope bia no. A touch of the way photography for. Omu naba air screen so esa o contact omu say a wedding, funeral, birthday party. And I say assassin bimpo na one na opese we hear drone video, ni drone pictures of assassina. But modern say wa contact touch of the way photography. Bebia upe so omu ye juma no ma e Ghana ha bebia no. Omu ye claro na omu ya ma and omu ye very 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 affordable so upesa ye birthday photo shoot. More manoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more than say only touch of the way photography for wedding como. And they catch them say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount. Ebusian for ubet me boy your production as time is passing. Your studio kind of saying vision scanning and then also equipment in your bebre. It might be say be more and all those things. One I'm betting me a boy. A political platform and a pro NPP political platform. And I scan kwana ye pay and I wait make I say ye neutrals. And news no bar na ye NDC NPP news cow be a kaya drink a cake. But you see ye pese ye say NPP wa buy moi. And no now manage me kweni. So we dedicate ourselves to NPP. And no po obi a my one Ghana crop NPP no. And there ye Debbie. And now sometimes we compare advertisers. I'm say Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo I beka say NPP for. And this for say Juma my and to me. And ye hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, we have no work into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us. And people do so beautifully. Kofobi kura mu ni bi kura mu frɛ ɛde ka den ɛhyɛ yɛn kran. Is that the right tree there? He said there. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem move forward.
Now media maka I still maintain it. Say there's no difference. Ewa mamu Kufuor bebu ye ne Kufuor. Die Kufuor be bia Kufuor ni blueprint. Just say Kufuor no say bi wa mfa nyansa nto ho. Kufuor tu kwan a na wa fa commercial flight from Ghana. Okodu America ne rounds nyina or the private jet eneye. Meetings a woko nyina no rent private jet. One etimi rent private jet. Every ni fie wo New Jersey. Na oko Washington meeting. Lunch time na watu private jet na kwa kudi Fufuor no asaba. Ba wanya no Ghana anti Ghana fu ehu. Ba Kufuor de one ne de show mine. Kufuor de so show boy. One de oba be pack private jet in de si tarmac no so. Na se wa broni etim na wo twa selfie. Ebedi na nsedi na Ghana fu nyina hu ansa na okotu no adeko. That's the only difference. But se wo fa Kufuor mamuo. Efa Kufuor do mamuo. Ensusue bia nantamo na minim say one day time will come wa ye be dege na Ghana for na when was a Ghana for. So when you talk about NPP tradition, when you talk about NDC tradition, nobody should sit somewhere and say NPP and NDC ni nyina registered political parties. Enti ni nyina pe enye peda akwaye se oba okwa awade ase a onche otuba nche onua oba obeware no opa aware no otuba nche de odua saa na akwaye NPP ni NDC eye oba aware ase no so obetena enti da na oba no ani feature no de banchi dua wo ho otuba nche no wadua because onim se bebo obewo afe no oba abewo na owo a na yire ne one ne ma omubedidi obehwe ni kunu no enti bon se NDC babam say pe no ahwe how many schools under trees no I shall say eliminate Professor Mills over 2000 on etimi end the double track system no I shall say no eliminate e crow mo population no say see amabro eye rural eye water so I was say dem ko urban near expand mo no mo sansu of form I was say amamo boho near the amamo mo school dan I was say expand near the amamo mo market no was say biom kakra mo clinic no say baby edu no I was say ekwanim kakra near pagya mo Crowway omuni electricity or say electricity near the coho. This is NPP NDC's record because Obasa Oba be your money. Why so Oba wade ase no baby mo. The NPP be Kufuor by 8 years ebe far secondary school from 3 years ediko 4 years when see one secondary school block. Opa Kufuor the 8 years. Ghana for 8 years standing electricity expanded ko mu class for 8 years. And to Mahama 4 years. And this is the record that sometimes and the debate me person may ignite. Na ya chi adwukwati ma ye nye se ye white wash Kufuor as a Kufuor de Kufuor was good. Kufuor ni nyansa, Kufuor na say bi oni nyansa ena ma nkrofo ka eye NPP anim. Ye sesa akom eye nada ifra nothing person enye ne NPP ye mambo yesem no enye na efiri omo nananom UGCC from UP besi NPP Kufuor besi Kufuor do eni obi obeba da chi se Ghana for a mistake. That is it. Until we need to dig na yema Ghana for hu no kure wo mu na enchirima na sua because enchirima na sua is not for nothing. Tina always when MPP is in power they try to rewrite Ghana's history. Kufuor de baye ye syllabus e kalikoro de kire nkwala de ye try say yes sano afi de founder kra no Kufuor de senya Kwame Nkrumah Kufuor baye Ghana sika na osaje fo data Kwame Nkrumah emfoni da so osisa ni nyina
basa Kufuor si he pick a school buildings ko villages ni nyina
yes
oh that na me
there's no single complete school Kufuor see here under he pick
me can
dia Kufuor ya ni say
primary school
me ba ti say bi aba komadan no ape school e ben kwan ho no akosi bi a 2-unit classroom na ya painting ho epic benefits oba kromu no abehwe kwan ho no asi toilet na ya painting ho epic benefits say Mahama ba etigina etimtisi domi kwabenya esi a whole secondary school Eko eye frafra ha esi a whole secondary school and Kufuor happen so se me bu a kire me ba ko
ena me ka se na wo call villages na osi
ena me kire o se hwade o say yes school na wa ba no be si classroom e de aka ho no eye normal na mom se abaya ba se aha school ni ha me ba be si a whole brand new school e de esi ho no Kufuor ni bi secondary school kire me ba ko 8 years of Kufuor kire me one secondary school Kufuor see ye 8 years. One secondary school Kufuor the commission here 8 years. And we can tell you number of secondary school Professor Mills less than 4 years to see here. As for Rollins, they don't go there. Mahama, we can tell you 123 E-blocks. And tell me, when it comes to regional hospitals, Interbetin, Central Region, Oko the same Interbetin, Sunyane, Oko Trafalgar, I don't know voter region. All these regional hospitals were built by Rollins.